In this video, we will discuss how to set up exam mode accounts for students. The exam mode account is a second TextAid account for the student. Begin by logging into TextAid and clicking on your name on the right-hand side of the black stripe. Click on Organization and then on Manage Users. On the upper right-hand side of the screen, click on Add User. Starting on the left column, make the following selections. Select for the exam account setting, Yes, Exam Account. Fill in an email address for the student that is different from their regular TextAid email address. Since the email address does not need to be a real address, we suggest placing a "to" or the word "exam" before the @ symbol. Fill in the student's first and last name. We suggest adding an underscore and the word "exam" to the first name. As an example, for the student named Awesome Student, the first name would be Awesome_exam. Moving to the second column, if the language for the student interface is not to be in English, then select the language from the drop-down menu. Select your country, such as United States. Create a password for the student. Since this password is only shared with the person who will be administering the test, we suggest using a generic password or a generic pattern for the password creation. The password must be 8 or more characters long, have an upper and lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. A generic password example for all exam accounts could be Exam School 2021. For a generic password pattern, you may want to use the word exam, the first 3 letters of the student's name, the student's last name, the year, and a $sign, such as Exam Student 2021. Enter the password in the fields for password and repeat password. On the lower left-hand side of the screen, click on Add User. The user's account has been created, and you will see Yes under the exam column in your list of users. Our next video will cover the steps for how the teacher locates the exam account for the student and then assigns the test to the student.